Hazel Pro Website Designer is available from the Microsoft Store. To get started, go to the official Hazel's website and click on Download. Click on Get in Store app. This will launch the Microsoft Store. Hazel is compatible with Windows 11 and Windows 10 devices. Click Install to install Hazel onto your device. Once installed, you will be able to immediately start running Hazel on your device. Click on Open once the install is complete to launch Hazel. Congratulations, you have now successfully installed Hazel. To start building your website, start from a blank canvas or choose one of the professionally designed templates.